You're going to love the 2007 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 110,000 kilometers. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.5-liter five-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, and cruise control. Volkswagen also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.